Welcome to another video. Today I'll be cooking steamed vegetables and serving it with white bread. First, I'll be chopping some pumpkins. Yes, I'll be steaming pumpkins with my cabbage. And if you have been following my videos, you would know that I plant my own pumpkins. So yes, this is one of my own pumpkins. I still have pumpkin to this day. After chopping the pumpkins, rather after I finish dicing or cutting the piece of pumpkin, now I am peeling the carrots and I am gonna chop the carrots also. The carrots will be cut into small strips so that it will cook easy or easily. While I am preparing the vegetables for steaming, I am also making my tea, my ginger orange tea. I am preparing steamed vegetables, not steamed cabbage. Did I say steamed cabbage at the beginning? It's a mixture of vegetables with cabbage. So it's steamed veggies and bread. After dicing or cutting the carrots, it's time to wash and chop my string beans to add to the bowl of veggies. And I am going to chop these in small pieces so it can steam a little quicker. Now it's on the cutting board. Let's get cutting. And do you know the health benefits of string beans? String beans is a powerhouse. You know, it's green, so it's packed with chlorophyll. It is packed with vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and vitamin K. It also has essential minerals like folate and potassium. These green string beans are highly nutritious. It is packed with fiber and low in calories. It helps to support and aid with digestion and boost your immune system and promote strong bones. Yes, and it also contains high antioxidant content, which helps to alleviate oxidative stress. Now I'm cutting the cabbage. And cabbage is also good for your immune system also. Cabbage is also versatile. It is a versatile vegetable. You can use it in soup, which aid with weight loss. According to research, you can use it to make your chow mein, your chicken chow mein, your shrimp chow mein, beef chow mein, whatever chow mein you're cooking, and your chop suey. It is just versatile. Research have also shown that the juice of cabbage is good for ulcer in the stomach. Truth to be told, I eat a lot of cabbage. Hmm. Yep. Now it's time for the cleaning up. Now that I've cut all the vegetables that I'm gonna steam together, it's time to clean up the kitchen counter. Now all the vegetables are in one bowl, it's time for washing. So I will wash the vegetables. I am not going to use any salt, any vinegar, any of that. I'm just going to wash it with pure water, plain water.